There's a view for you. There's some diving ducks around the corner here, and then there's a wee trout rising in here every now and then. See if you can get a wee look at him. What a spot. Right, I'm not going to mess about. I'm just going to get started out and get going. Also, for anyone who's interested, I'm going for a 14 Cape McLaren. Yeah, if you can see it there, wee gold tail. Might have the sun at my back here, but I'll be fine. So that's where I'm going to go first. There's a trout rippling over there. There's loads going on here actually. This looks much better. See if I can sneak up on some of these guys. Oh, that's a cast. Oh, behind the fly. Hey, there we go. So he's dived into those weeds there. I've only got 4 pound on it, and I don't know if he's still on, but I don't want to. I'm going to have to wade in to see, because I don't want to break him off and leave him with a hook in him. But I'm going to spook all these fish. Ah, it's okay, there's millions. Oh, no, he's on. I can see him. Just a wee guy. If I pull for a break now and I lose him, then shit. Yeah, he's still there. I think he's still there. Yeah, he is. Hey, there we go. Lovely wee trout, man. Here you go, my friend. Right, try and get set up again. You can see, look, this is about 2 minutes after I waded all the way in there, kicked up the whole bottom, and they're back feeding right in there again. I'm gonna try and get my leader tied back up, so I might leave this here and see how close they come in. So I've changed to a bibio. I'm not too sure that's what they want though. Oh. Ah, flip. Maybe that's what they want. He went for that one. I already pulled it away from him though. That's a shit cast. Just gonna work my way around. See, what I do is I'll fish the same bit for so long. You know what I mean? I'll plan to walk around the loch and I'll get maybe quarter of the way and then the day's over. There's loads going on in that corner. Oh. Ah. He just dived with it. Oh. Ah, he's in the weeds again. He just saw a wee bow wave come up behind it. I'll go and rescue him. Maybe I can get him out the other way actually. Oh no, he's off. The brute. There we go. Trying to keep them high in here just because of the weeds. Get in here, you root. God, he's alright. He's alright, man. Look at him. Pounding him. Okay, we're moving on. Proper jump over there. I seen him. Oh, look.
There's nothing like seeing a fish rise in front of you and getting yourself in a complete tangle.
Oh no. Just saw the wee rise, the wee bow wave. Just a wee guy. Come on, wee guy. There we go. Just another wee chiddler. Oh, good take.
If you look at my shadow here in the bottom right, you can see me reaching for my net on my back, but it's actually on the ground at my feet.
My net's not even, didn't even. Oh no, he was decent too. Oh. That looked like a take. Ah. Sometimes you just see the water go whew, just where you fly, just when it's under the water there. Ah, line to him.
After a couple hours of fishing like this, my dad, who's a local gillie, turned up, and we went to go and try a spot on the local river for maybe a chance at some bigger trout.
Hey. He's alright actually. Oh, he's out. Where is he? Go on, you rat. He's okay, ain't he?
Aye. He's straightened up there.
Yeah.
Then you got in touch with it. You need to roll your line there. Can I have a wee cast?
Yeah, of course.
Go on now. Come on. I'll show you. Give you a wee demo. Be a master fry.
Oh. I seen it snap in the water there. Behind that one. There's 3 out there. Oh, that's a cast. Oh, that's a cast. Brilliant. None better. So there's a wee pool bend there, and then I'm gonna have a go in here, and then I'm gonna have a go on that side. But there's a few trout rising just up in front there. I'm gonna see if I can sneak over to them.
I never had much joy here on this side, so I quickly crossed over. My dad, who was sitting on the hill up behind me there, spotted a big fish rising downstream and gave me a shout, and I headed down towards him.
There's a big fish out there. If I can get out to it.
There's like a big drop off to my left, which you can see in a wee second, but the rest of the ground was quite hard, so I was on my knees and my waders walking out. I also had a big headwind blowing in my face here, and I was quite keen to not get out to him and wreck my cast and end up spooking him, so I actually did have a couple of practice casts in the side here.
Flipping heck. Oh, that's not bad. That's bad. The ice right beside it, man.
My fly here snagged the edge of the drop off and I completely shit myself. I can still see him coming up every now and then to feed, but I'm not too sure he's interested in the pheasant tail nymph I've got tied on.
He's just come up. He's just come up again.
Casting to a big fish is quite nerve-wracking, but casting to a big fish with your dad standing behind you watching is just a little bit worse. You can hear from my breathing here, I'm actually really nervous. He's not come up in a wee while and I'm starting to think he's gone.
There's two over there as well.
Oh, it's in the pounds, that fish. Here, look. Try this over. I'll just draw that past him. Pause. Pause on the back. It's all too quick. That's perfect. Just keep your line straight. If he comes up and takes it, just let him go down, just go 1, 2, watch the line tighten. If the line tightens, then Hook it then. You missed it. You didn't pause, you didn't cut one.
I felt it tight.
Aye, well you don't get him again, like. That's a big fish. That's a 2-pounder. He'll not come up again. You touched him.
I felt the tension on that though.
I know. You did, you done alright. I would have let him go down with a flag.
I couldn't thought he was gone.
Put it in his jaw. That fish is that's some fish. Oh well. What is that cracking
I seen the head of it.
A big fish, yeah. What is
I
it?
saw the top of its head.
Couple of pound?
Couple of pound maybe.
I seen him up there.
I thought in terms of hooking up there, maybe I could have given him another half second or so before I struck, but I did feel like I struck there as a reaction to the fish pulling on the line in the first place, so who knows really. So there you are, people. One chance all day at a really big fish and it made an absolute mess of it, but I suppose in the end you could treat that as a learning experience. Afterwards, got a couple more trout from the wee loch, but then we decided to call it a day and actually ended up having a really good day's fishing and all. Hopefully one day I can get back there and have another go at him.
There's number 6 or 7.